Hello, my name is Nicholas. I am a senior member of the platform support team here at MakersHub, and today I will be talking about tags. Tags are used in MakersHub for sorting and reporting purposes. So if you look at my top menu, I can sort by tag, and what tags are is they allow me to easily sort, and I can download to Excel, run my reporting, or easily find bills. So there's a couple ways to automatically add tags to bills. The first way I'll talk about is via workflow. So if I go to my bill settings, and in this case, I see this a lot with a lot of project managers. So they have multiple jobs going to one project manager, others going to another. And a way to very easily distinguish who received this bill is to add a tag. So on the right-hand side, you can see add tags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Jennifer as a tag here and Lewis as a tag here. Now, what this will do is when the workflow hits these certain circumstances, it will automatically add that tag for you so you can easily sort and see what PM bills are there and easily run reporting, pull that Excel file. Let me show you what that looks like. So you can see here all the ABC district jobs. If I go to my bills, I click into a bill, I go to my ABC district, let's see, job here, I drop it down. I'm just going to fix my duplicate real quick. And you can see I am the first level approver. And then when I approve a bill, and I can go back to it, you'll see it's waiting Jennifer for approval, and it now has that tag. So you can see here, I can easily sort and find that bill easily with a tag. And that's nice and convenient when you have multiple project managers. It also lets you know that it hit that workflow and that you covered this because you know, hey, this hit the Jennifer workflow because it's now tagged as Jennifer. Now, another way, and this is a new feature coming to everyone here shortly, is our new integration mapping that is more advanced capability behind it. So if I click into integration mapping, you'll see I have my items, expenses, chart of accounts, but I can add in a tagging category. So when I add in my tags, I can now create rules for the most common thing I see is auto payment. So they know that for my new balance, for example, I'm going to copy this vendor name. I can say, all right, when I see my vendor name of new balance, I'm going to assign a tag of AutoPay. And I can update my mapping. So now you can see that this bill will automatically tag to AutoPay. So you'll know when this bill is approved, it's sitting in the accounts payable tab. You can easily sort by your AutoPay and be able to mark them as paid. And this is very flexible. You can do multiple combination rules. You can do other criteria. You can see on my criteria list, I have department, entity, a bunch of different choices to choose from to get these tags added and be a little bit more robust in your reporting and sorting capabilities. Again, this feature is coming very soon to everyone. If you see this as a helpful feature, please reach out to us and we can opt you in early into this feature. And as always, please let us know if you have any questions.